Come, let's calculate, Baba. How much you get, how much you pay, Baba. I want Temi for what you heard.
Temi here, T-E-M-I. Make sure you spell it right, okay? For Black Friday? Well, I guess I am ready for Black Friday. I've been going through and looking at some deals. There's two particular things that I want to buy personally, but who forget me. I'm gonna in this video go through some of the sales that is going on, especially for makeup in mostly the drugstore, but I will touch on some individual companies and the ones that I'm aware of at this time. So that's what we're going to be going through in this video. So all right guys, so the first place that I always try to go to for makeup is CVS. CVS has the best deals. I don't care what anybody says. CVS every week has the best deals. Quote me on that. But CVS has okay, so the way CVS deals is working, they have some deals from Sunday that ends on Wednesday, and then they have another one from Sunday all the way to Saturday. So well, there's only one notable deal for between Sunday and Wednesday, and the only one is Maybelline. They have a Maybelline Volume Express mascara for $6.49. So you pay $6.49 for the mascara, but you're gonna get $5 ECB back. So that's like CVS cash. So the way you get that is you have to have a CVS card. So if you guys don't have a CVS card, just, you know, you can go in store and just get a CVS card with your phone number, and they give you a little card that you can use to shop. And once you start using that to shop, you know, once you can scan it at the red box. I will do another video going into details of how to coupon at CVS. But you can scan that card at the red box and it'll give you a coupons. And the coupons kind of work with what you buy. So just for Black Friday, if you buy that Maybelline mascara for $6.49, you get a $5 ECB back. And you can only buy one mascara. One per card is the thing. But the other sales for CVS that's going out throughout the week, so they have NYX. They always have this every single year. So the NYX deal would be buy two lipsticks for two lip products for $11.98, and you get $10 ECB back. And you can only do that once. So I think that's a really great deal because you're basically getting two NYX lipsticks for $1.98 for $2, pretty much. So the other thing is, oh, the LA Girl holiday gift sets are $9.99. So you pay $9.99 for the gift set, and then you get $8 ECB back, and that's also a limit of 1. And then they have some other makeup deals, but these ones they have it throughout the week. The one that stands out to me is Revlon. Revlon is spend $10 on Revlon, you get $5 ECB back. Then LA Girl is also spend $10, get $5 ECB back. And what else? That's pretty much the noteworthy gift at CVS. That's pretty much it. And yeah, okay, let's go to Walgreens. Walgreens. Me and Walgreens, we're not friends. Sometimes we're friends, not all the time. But Walgreens, they don't have a lot for the Black Friday. They have Soap and Glory gift set for 50%. So the gift set, I believe, used to be $30, but during Black Friday week, they have it for $15. And they have a Revlon. So you have a choice. You can either get the Revlon mascara, the Super Lustrous lip, or the HD lip for $7.99. But then you get a 5,000 points, Walgreens points back. And Walgreens points, so that 5,000 points is worth $5. So you can use it to buy something else at Walgreens, worth of $5. And their other gift sets are buy one, get one 50% off for all other gift sets. And they have one online deal that I think is noteworthy, and that's Slick Cosmetics. Walgreens carries it on their website. So I believe on their website, all Slick Cosmetics will be 20% off. Okay, now let's go to Ulta. I'm gonna have to look that up on my phone here. There's an echo where I'm at, in case you guys are hearing that. The place is really big, so That's the echo that you guys are hearing. Okay, so Ulta deals. Ulta has select mascaras for $10. So they have, I see Tarte. Ooh, I might get the Buxom. Oh my god, I think they have Buxom on there. Because I really like, let me show you guys. I have this, oh, and I think it's the exact same one. This Buxom mascara, I love it. For $10, yeah, I'll pay $10 for that. So they have Buxom, they have Urban Decay, Eat Cosmetics, Smashbox. What else? Yeah. And then Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit and their Liquid Glow is 40% off. So that's a good deal right there. Because I know those kits are like $40. So 40% off, $25? That's not bad. Bare Minerals has some holiday sets that are $10 each. They are originally $12. There's a NYX Sugar Trip 24 Days of Beauty. I believe, from what I'm seeing, it looks like a set, a big set with like blush, lipstick. I'm sure there's an eyeshadow in there somewhere. The set is $29.99. I see Morphe's. They have a 9-piece vegan brush set for $19.50. There's a Too Faced Sexy Lips and Lashes set for $15. Shabana, what is making sound? Bang, bang, bang.
I'm turning it on.
Bang. So at Ulta, there is Urban Decay is $15. They are Naked Petite Heat eyeshadow palette. So instead of $29, it's $15. What else? And they have some $10 and under gifts. So some Eat brushes for Ulta is $10, some of them. What else? OPI nail polish is $5 each. And they have a lot of Ulta Beauty collection for really good prices. I see some $10 sets, some $20 sets on here. Echo Tools also have it as a kit. It's originally $20, but they're selling it for $9.99, which is a really good deal. And Real Techniques also has they have a holiday kit. It's a limited edition holiday kit. It's also $9.99. So that's pretty each. That's it from Ulta. Oh, I see something else. The Laura Geller baked what's this? Baked gelato swirl illuminators are $13 each. I know I heard a lot of things about that highlighter that is really good. I'm not interested in buying it. I have enough. They have a Becca Glow On Trio. I believe it's a highlighter, a blush. It looks like a liquid highlighter for $15. What else? Lipstick Queen Shade Shifter lipsticks, 40% off. Buxom Lip and Eye Duo, $12. So you know they have a couple of sets on Ulta. So if you guys are looking for some good deals on, maybe there's a lot of makeup that you've been trying to get, or you want to try, I think Black Friday is a good time to kind of check out where the deals are and where you can save a little bit of money. Okay, some websites that I know so far that they already started their sale for Black Friday week is, okay, so the first one that I got an email for was Juvia's 45% off on their, I believe their entire website. And they started that already. So you guys should go check it out because a lot of their palettes are already selling out. I think most of it are sold out already. Maybe you'll be lucky. Coastal Scents already have started their 50% off as well. Ofra, whatever, you guys know the one I'm talking about. So they have a sale that is a different item on sale every day. So the day I'm recording this is on Sunday. They have their highlighters for 50% off. But I think every day of the week they'll have something that was on sale, or something, a deal every single day of the week. So you guys should check out Ofra. And I'm gonna make a prediction. ABH, I bet they're going to have kind of like a sliding scale sale. So because in the past 2 years they've had something similar, where maybe their eyeshadows will be like 40% off, and then like their highlighters will be like 30% off, something like that. So watch out for ABH. They always have really good deals. And I also checked Sephora. Sephora has some gift sets for $10. So Sephora is also a good place to kind of check for gift sets that are pretty good price. The one thing that I actually want to touch on is so, you know, everybody gets crazy during Black Friday and blah blah blah, but I think it's funny how we are so how do I put this? We're so like buy driven. Like our mentality, it seems, especially in America. Well, let me not say especially in America. From what I have noticed, I've noticed that there's this buy mentality. Like you just got something, but you see something else. You haven't even used the one you bought, and you're already like, oh, I need this one. The one you have in the house, you haven't even used it. So I just want us to keep in mind during this Black Friday shopping frenzy that we understand that we don't have to buy everything, you know. They're going to put in a nice packaging, you know, it looks attractive. Of course it looks attractive. That is why they put it in that packaging. They put glitter on it because they want to draw you in. They want you to spend your money on it and not on something else that you probably should be spending it on. And, you know, I'm saying all this laughing, but I'm really serious. I think that when we're, you know, trying to plan our shopping and, you know, things that we need to buy, I think we should have it in the back of our mind that we don't want to fall into the kind of trap where we're just buying things that we don't need. You know, like we're buying everything and they're just going to collect dust and it's going to turn to junk. I'm guilty of it, and I'm still having to mentally, you know, remove that kind of mentality from myself that it's not everything that I need to buy. Before, I used to buy, oh my goodness, there was a particular year that I bought so much makeup. Oh Jesus, I was ashamed of myself. I had a package coming in every week, multiple. And, you know, you got to a point, I'm like, okay, this is getting too much. I only have one face. Yes, I use a lot of it in my kits, but even at that, you know, I don't want to waste my money on things I'm not going to use. So personally, the past couple of years, since last year, you know, really, have kind of tailored myself down to very few items that I buy every year. Like throughout the entire year, I can probably count on 2 hands how many things that I've bought this year that is like high end. You know, I can admire it. Oh, it looks nice, you know, but you know what? My money needs to go into something else. I'm changing my mindset. It's like, rather than spend, I want to invest my money so it can work for me. So going into Black Friday, let's have that mentality that, you know, let's not be so eager to just spend, especially when you're spending on like things that you don't really need. So I just want us to keep that in mind during this Black Friday. You know, if you need something, there's nothing wrong in buying something that you need or even something that you want. But let's just have it at the back of our mind that we are spending wisely, you know, that we're just not being unwise and uncaring about the way that we spend our money. And more importantly, we want to, you know, do our finances in a way that it's working for us and we're not working against us. So I'm gonna put all the deals that I found on. I will try to do a blog post and include links on everything so that anyone that is looking for sale can just go on that blog post and see all the deals that is going on for this shopping weekend, and you guys can find any information that you need on there. I'll post that in the link down below. You know, if there's any deals that you guys are aware of, shoot me an email. My email will be in the description box. Shoot me an email, because I'm only one person. I might miss some of the deals that is going on, so I just want to do this, so that even if you want to buy something, you need something, or you have in mind something that you want to get, at the very least you're saving a little bit of money. And always keep in mind, eBay. Don't, if you're going to be shopping online this Black Friday, go through eBay, please. You would be so happy when you get that money back in, I believe, their next is it January? I think the next check that goes out should be January, because I believe it's every 4 months. Is it January or February? I'm not sure. But you will be so happy when you get that money back. 3%, I believe Sephora is 4% now. Yeah, I believe Sephora is either 3.5 or 4% back right now. So go through eBay. I'll leave a link for eBay in my description box as well. Go through eBay so that you can at least save a little bit of money extra, and I hope you guys learned something in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm not trying to come up across as being preachy or anything, but it's something that I've noticed that a lot of us have to break the cycle of always falling into the trap of buy. We need to start investing and not just spending our money anyhow. So I'll see you guys in the next video.